Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge won't open PDF files here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with settings. Wait until you are being redirected to settings the moment you have to click on it. Here at the settings, you need to proceed directly to the left side of it where you can see a list of the options. Here you need to click on apps next to personalization and just have to navigate to default apps. Click on it. The moment you have the click on it, there you would be able to see a search bar under set a default for a file type or link type. Just have to type .pdf and go with the first result. Click on it and here you need to click this. Okay. And just have to choose the Microsoft Edge application and go with set default. Once you have set it, you just have to close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so bring up your PDF files, double tap to open and see if it's now working in your Microsoft Edge. Okay, so I can see it is now being work. I can see it's now working. Okay. So scroll, close this window and there you go. Okay. So that's it. That's how easy to fix your problem. If you think this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.